Hi everyone and welcome to My Crafty Adventures. I'm here with my first project that I created using my Beebeecraft products that I received as part of their YouTube program. Now, Beebeecraft has a wonderful program where if you have at least 100 YouTube subscribers, you can contact them and they will allow you to pick out a variety of crafts or craft items, that you can use to make projects. In return, what you do is you create videos such as I'm doing right now, showing what you've created and sharing the products that you've used. So one of the first items that I selected as part of this program was a bag of little wooden hearts. Now, I'll be honest with you, I didn't realize that they were this small and I had another project in mind. But when they came, I thought they were so super cute and I was excited to give them a try, see what I could create with them. So let's go ahead and take a look. I created this adorable little holiday wreath using the little wooden hearts on a foam wreath that I covered with burlap and then added this bow at the top. And I'll give you a quick description of how I accomplished this. So what I did was first I spent the majority of the afternoon painting these little hearts red. You'll notice I actually adhered one to a little paper clip as well, which you can do, which is fun for journaling and things like that. But that's just another example of the many things you can do with these little hearts. So I spent the afternoon just relaxing, watching a movie, and painting the hearts. 100 come in a bag. I didn't even use 100 for this particular project. But it didn't take me very long to paint these. And it was a nice relaxing thing to do on a Sunday afternoon. So once I finished painting those, I let them dry for a bit. And I only painted one side because you're only going to be seeing the front side of it. And then I got these little styrofoam wreaths that I found on Amazon. And they're just a little small 6-inch wreath. Now, I just did this as a fun little project because I like creating home decor. And I thought this would be cute for my craft room. But you can make this as big as you want. You can get wreath forms in all different sizes, but I highly recommend getting the foam. I picked up some cheap burlap at the Dollar Tree, and what I did was I took the burlap and I just wrapped it around and hot glued it to this foam. Super easy, took me a matter of minutes. Once that was done, I hot glued each of the hearts to the burlap and then used a dressmaker pin in the hole just for a little extra embellishment. I finished it off with this ribbon at the top and I think it turned out so cute. I really do, and I can't wait to hang it up, and I'm actually thinking about making a bigger one for a friend of mine. So that was all. That was my first project. I'll be back on with a second project coming up shortly. But I did want you to know that if you're interested in these little wooden hearts at Beebeecraft, I will have the link to them below in my description box. I'll also have the coupon code ADVENTURES10, which allows you to save 10% on your total purchase at Beebeecraft if you use that when you check out. And that is valid until December 20th of 2025. So you have a year to use this. And I hope that you will take advantage of that and get crafty and have some fun and show me what you make. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until our next crafty adventure, take care and be well. Bye-bye now.